Hello, salsa aficionados! Let's continue with our casino dancing course. In this lesson, we will learn how to do sombrero. So, Professor Amando, what figures do we need to do our figure sombrero?
Of course, Mari. To do our sombrero or hat, we will need to review our dile que sí or vuelta al hombro. So, let's show you how it's done. Let's begin with marque, close, open, dile que no, open position, and sombrero. Change both hands, dile que sí, and dile que no. Let's do it again from the other side. Dile que no, open position, sombrero. Change hands, vuelta al hombro with both hands, and crown ourselves to decorate with her left. Ready. That is our figure sombrero. So Mari, which figures do we need for our sombrero?
We will review dile que sí or vuelta al hombro.
That's right. So let's begin with a quick skim through of the dile que sí and also the vuelta al hombro. Let's begin very slowly doing our open position and dile que sí. Like this. 1, 2, 3, dile que sí. We will advance with a basic step while I do a sácala towards the dile que no. Again, remember that in open position we will have to activate our resistance during all our figures we'll do in this position. Especially in dile que sí, we will maintain this connection as we raise her hand. So there's this 90-degree angle for us as a reference while we do a circle around her. We will always avoid to go towards the middle because that will break the resistance or connection to do a corona as we saw on the vuelta al hombro. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, dile que sí with dile que no. 1, 2, 3, sácala and dile que no. Again. Now, let's do it with the music. And 1, 2, 3, dile que sí. 1, 2, 3, dile que no. Open position. From the other side. Dile que no. Open position. Dile que sí with dile que no. I prepare the sácala, advance with my basic step, and open again with dile que no. Let's stop there. Let's now remember the vuelta al hombro. Very slowly. We change hands on the 7th time, so we prepare ourselves for the next figure on the first time of the new figure, in this case the vuelta al hombro, doing the sácala or dile que sí as we change place to corona or crown her on the 7th time. We apply the dile que no to uncrown on 3 and pull with both hands in 5, 6, 7 to finish the dile que no. Again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, vuelta al hombro. 1, 2, prepare, sácala, crown, uncrown, pull with both hands, and ready. Let's do it with the music. 1, 2, 3, vuelta al hombro. Change hands, dile que sí, crown, uncrown, pull. From the other side. Change place with dile que no, and vuelta al hombro. Change hands on 7, 1, 2, up, turn, crown, uncrown, pull, and ready. That is the figure vuelta al hombro. Now that we have both figures, we will use the same dynamic to do a sombrero. Now we will not only use our right hands, but we will ask for her left hand to do the dile que sí or vuelta al hombro using now both arms. Like this. Let's prepare the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's very important for her to activate the resistance in both arms as we use them to help her on the turn. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We will stop here because here's when the coronas are gonna come into play. We're gonna do 7 with the right, doing a corona towards her, and a corona to myself with my left, our lefts. Here we will do an extra decoration for her while I push and let go my right hand like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? It's very important for us to do this so she can move her arm again on top of me. If I would, for example, do a close position, then she will have the right position for that left arm, like this. Let's do again a sombrero on the same place, and we're gonna do the corona for both of us on 7. Remember, right towards her, left towards me. That's 7, and we're gonna let go. And before she lets her arm go down with the gravity, we're gonna push with our right arm downwards, like this. 1, okay? This way, she will continue the strength that I used for her to move her whole arm in a circular way, going downwards and upwards, okay? Again, I'm gonna do in the same place the saca lao de sombrero. I'm gonna push in 1. 1, 2, 3. Exactly. Very important that you use your whole arm so you don't stay like this when you do the movement. It's very important to do the whole arm so you're on top of it. One last time. We're here. We do the sombrero, and I'm gonna continue the dile que no. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's a normal dile que no because I help her to put her left arm on top of my right shoulder. Again, very slowly. 1, 2, 3, sombrero. Change hands. 1, 2, up, turn, coronas, dile que no, and push. Very good. Now let's try it with the music. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Sombrero. Change hands on 7. 1, 2, turn. 5, 6 coronas. Push. And again push. And ready. Let's change place. One more time. Let's do sombrero. Change hands. Vuelta al hombro with both hands. Corona. Dile que no. And push. And ready. That is our figure sombrero. You can review the video on the dile que sí, or why not, our last video on vuelta al hombro, to have a clear view of what to do, not only with the dile que sí, but with the coronas as we do the last part of the sombrero. So, see you on the next video.
Bye.